Hey everybody, welcome back to my page, Hotmessexpress Tutorials. Today I'm going to be doing the I tried to follow a blank makeup tutorial. This trend was started by Thomas Halbert. Now this is my second time filming it, which is super annoying, but I'm not going to get into that too much. It's not really going to come to much of a surprise of who I'm doing if you know me. I'm doing NikkieTutorials makeup tutorial today. And I decided that I didn't want to do a glam, you know, she's very full glam, all about the glow, and I just felt like a lot of people were doing that. I wanted to do her take her swimming on the first date video because that is actually the first video I ever watched of hers. I thought it was hilarious. I think that she is very inspirational to a lot of people out there. She started doing her tutorials about 9 years ago, which is crazy. And you know, it's built up a lot of confidence in her, and I kind of feel that in myself doing these tutorials, so cool. But yeah, I think that she's, if not the top makeup YouTube guru out there, she's at least like top 3. And even though she's probably never gonna watch this video, Nikki, I love you and please be my best friend. Okay, bye. The intro basically talks about synchronized swimmers and taking girls, you know, swimming on their first date and how their makeup gets all messed up and how like swimmers have to have these like great intense makeup looks, and she's funny, and I'm gonna post the link in the description box down below so that you can watch the whole video because totes worth it. Another thing that she mentions in her video is that she had 3 million subscribers, so she was celebrating that. So the first time I filmed this video I had alcohol, but I forgot the alcohol this time. But I'm still gonna have my imaginary glass, maybe we can like edit one in. And we're gonna cheers to my subscribers and the fact that 2 people unfollowed me this week. So cheers to you guys. And I also want to thank all of the douchebags that don't know that they're following me but think they have my phone number, all the people that I just begged to follow me, and my friends and family who actually want to follow me. Cheers to you guys too. Okay, ready? Last thing before we get started in this video. So since this is take her swimming on the first date, I decided that I was going to wear my bathing suit! The first time I did this video, I was definitely wearing a bikini, but Valentine's Day has happened, I have gone out way too many times, and a one piece was just better suited for this winter day. I'm gonna start at 3 minutes and 22 seconds in.
Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do, foundation. No one will see in the water, but it's for ourselves.
So, I honestly think that all makeup is really for yourself. So, truth, let's start with this foundation. And hers is spray foundation. I'm not that fancy. I don't think I've honestly ever seen spray foundation in my life.
So we're kind of gonna go...
Gotta pause that while I do this, because editing makes everything go faster. Or slower, really. But in this sense, faster. Like this. Watch. Oh. Did I just run out of foundation? So then she moves on to a concealer.
Go quickly through skin because, you know, we're pretty much in the water. Not a lot of people will see it, but it's for ourselves. And therefore you don't want to apply too much. You want to keep it light and soft, like I just did. You know, just...
Nikki. Oh, you. Alright, so she basically just puts it all over her face because minimalism. She buffs it into her face. Becoming a ghost. It's fine. A whole new color. Maybe closer to my real color.
Here's where the true fun begins. We're gonna play up our eyes, and remember, you want to make an impact for those back rows.
Okay, so originally, when I was doing this, I was looking through all my shadows because I was like, I don't have liquid eyeshadow stuff, and then I was like, wait a second, you were a theater major. You have the technology. And so it's not the exact same color as her. So she has a light blue and I have a dark blue. Not exactly the same. Continue, Nikki.
With a beautiful soft blue. Just to show these bitches in the water who's boss. And remember, back rows. So when you're in the back row of a swimming pool, your eyes tend to look a little bit smaller. So instead of following your natural crease, go right above it. Lid for the front row, back row.
Whenever I put blue eyeshadow, like especially this color, it always reminds me of the girl from the Drew Carey show. Front row, back row. You want to make sure that your color isn't blended in whatsoever. Make it as pigmented as possible. Oh, also, if you're curious as to what makeup I'm using, I am using Ben Nye. Any theater person will know Ben Nye Cosmetics.
Crease using a defining purple. And remember, make an impact. So from the inner crease, cut that crease and sweep up. Yes.
So I'm going to be using this purple. Do it again. I'm going to be using this purple. Not hating that.
Okay, now with the white, we're gonna increase the size of our eyes just to keep it light, you know, for like grocery shopping in the pool.
Okay, do not fret, friends. I have my clown white. Just get some on the brush.
You want to make sure that both sides are so even because your eyes will look wonky. Don't want that. So with the pink,
You never want a wonky eye. Who wants that? This is why we're not putting on mascara, because this is where our eye is.
and with the pink, we're gonna trace underneath the white. Precision.
Precision is my middle name. So this is the pink that I'm using. It's more of like a coral, but it's the closest I got. Follow it down. Precisely. But like, seriously, she's a true artist. My sister and I were talking about copyright laws, and hopefully this doesn't get taken down for copyright laws, but literally, like, I'm just gonna say so many nice things about how much I love NikkieTutorials. Like, please don't take this down. I feel like I look like some kind of bird. So I have to lean kind of forward because the back of this bathing suit is bare. And so my skin is like, keeps touching this cold wall. Not fun. So if my posture was bad before, at least I have an excuse this time. I'm gonna put some skin tone over it first, over my eyebrows. Okay, and the gold that I'm gonna go over is Glow Goals, which is actually Nikkie's highlighter, which had not come out yet. Tap that on with my finger. With this highlighter, the back row can definitely see me. This is like it's a stunner.
And now it's time to start adding all the definition using black. So we're gonna do brows, lashes.
I'm going to take a brush that I usually use for my eyebrows, and I'm gonna dip it into this black right here on her makeup remover, so I'm leaving the house like this. Can doing my eyebrows be like this every day? This looks great, right?
Now because lashes won't last long in the water, you paint them on.
Effortless. I think the same thing is gonna happen this time. Oh, whoops. Hers was like in the red part. Mine's underneath. I did not look at that too closely. I just dipped my finger in that black. Who's going on a first date with me?
Wings make me happy.
Me too, Nikki. Me too. eyeliner betrayed me. Oh, this is just a fail. If I just put some clown white over top, call it a day. I'm only gonna make gray, but I'd like to think it's better. I look like a scary clown. I didn't even do the eyelashes on this side.
You know what? The more of this art I see, the more I think, you know, take me swimming on the first date. I'll show you my makeup skills, bitch. So we're gonna contour, and normally I would blend it out nicely, but you want to make an impact. Natural beauty is the key to success. I'm like, have you seen my beauty? I fuck with your natural beauty.
This is how I wish that I could just keep my contour and not have to blend it in, because that just kind of sucks. Okay, that's getting there. I think it's how it's supposed to look in real life, right? Right? Like, how do you blend that all out? That takes like 7 hours. Jesus. Oh, I added the black. Oops. That side definitely. That looks right. The nose contour that you know I love doing. Behind all of this nose, all of you. Never. She has a smaller nose than I do, so hers is much closer. Or maybe I'm just supposed to make it closer and I just don't know how to contour my nose.
Synchronized swimmers always wear these like clamps on their noses to keep the water from coming into their noses. So in order to get that pinched and perfected effect, you draw new nostrils up to the tip of your nose to make it look like it's...
I forgot also about blush when I was packing, but luckily there's something in here. I literally was gonna say ash. I'm still gonna say ash. Do this because it doesn't need it. Let's put some blush on.
And for lips, you want to go red, the color of the pool after you slay your enemies.
Okay, and then I'm gonna use the red that was in the palette that I showed you earlier on. I don't know if you can hear the wind, but it sounds like we're having a hurricane. Trees are falling down. Electricity's going out. I was really afraid I was gonna lose electricity while filming this video. Still a possibility. So right now, my lips are red. It's just my lips. Then you go, all right, I'm gonna overline a little bit and make my lips look a little bit bigger. Like, oh hey baby, look at these voluptuous lips. I know the word is voluptuous, but I don't care. Then you say, okay, this is for this video. We need the audience to notice these DSLs. Also, if you're part of my family, don't look up what that is. Oh, my chin is getting in the way of my lips. How dare it. Then, to go the extra mile, she doesn't do this, but I'm gonna line it because I think that will be fun.
Final touch-ups. Your makeup is done. You are ready for this date. You have taken that level of synchronized swimmer realness, and we got this. We got this. Take me swimming, baby. Take me swimming.
Okay, so then she puts on some setting spray, and I will let you watch the end of the video. It's really funny. This is my look. So this is I tried following a NikkieTutorials makeup tutorial. I think that we look basically the same. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. I think honestly right now I look like the instructor from Mulan. I can't think of what her name is right now, but if you know who I'm talking about or know what her name is, comment that down below. Okay, if you like this video, then you can like it with a thumbs up. If you want other people to see it, then you can go share it on any of your social media forms. If you want to comment, like I said, you can totally do that too. Also, if you haven't subscribed to me yet, or I haven't made you subscribe to me yet, then you can also do that as well. You can follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. My Hotmessexpress tip of the day is, if you're gonna go make a video following a tutorial, go try mine! Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Yes? Mm-hmm. Sorry.